If you're still manually drawing structure, you're wasting time and leaving clean profits behind. The key is seeing market structure logic instantly on every chart. Let me prove it right now. Quick note before we start. We've built something that makes this entire process automatic. I'll show you later on, but first, you need to understand the logic behind it. Perhaps you're new to the channel. I'm Jonathan Jarvis, and I teach you how to read structure with my market structure strategy. We're going to go through that right now on the charts. I'm going to start a daily time frame, and I'll show you how the same process can work even on a 1 minute time frame. The first thing you need to understand is when we're marking up this structure, what you're looking for is you need to understand the market's going to move in the trend, and the market's going to either be in a bullish market, or you're going to find the market's in that bearish market. Now, when we're using this strategy of marking up our structure, we're going to apply this with the two different types of markets. So when we're looking at a bullish market and a bearish market, when we apply this. Now, I'll go through it in a bit more depth in the daily time frame here, and then we'll drop down to 1 minute and we'll speed things up a bit, and you'll see how it can be applied to either a higher time frame or lower time frame very easily. So let's just start down here and work our way through this area of price. And the first thing we're looking for is, where do we see our last break of structure to downside from here? Let's mark this off as our last BOS to downside. So we've got a break of structure here to downside. So we'll go close into this area of price. When we see this candle here closing through, I'm going to mark these candles off quickly for you so you can see. Once we see that body candle closing through, we look back for the last time we see a candle closing up. Now, by this, I mean this candle here closes above that previous candle's high. That creates our potential high in the market where we see the new break of structure. So let me just add on our magnet, make sure this is on the correct area of that high. This now becomes a reversal in the market. It's that simple. So that's when we're in a bearish market, we're looking for that close up. Exactly the same, we're looking for the close up. We get on this candle, that's going to create your valid low here in the market. So we have a current low in the market to a current high. That is your trading range. That is the way we look at marking this structure. So if we carry on with this, I'll work through now and you'll see how this works, and then we'll drop down to 1 minute and I'll show you how it does the exact same process on a 1 minute. So when we see this breakout, we're going to look for our new low. Well, our new low is going to be this candle here. When we see a break to the upside, we're now looking for the opposite in a bullish market. We're looking for the close down below a previous candle's low. That's what we get. So we can mark this level off to here. That creates your new low in the market. And that becomes your break of structure, because when we see this breakout, we don't get another close down like this until this candle here. What that means is this becomes your new current high in the market, and it becomes your next break of structure. This is still our current low, and we don't come back to this low at all. So now we can continue on with price. This becomes a new breakout, this candle here. Quite simply, now we have this is our close down. So this becomes our current low. Then we close down on this candle here. And that means we look at the last high. This becomes our current high for new break of structure to the upside. So you can see how quickly we can identify this once you start to understand the actual strategy. Now we get the next close down on this candle. This becomes a new high. Now what this is actually creating is a sweep in the market. And our low is going to be this low here in the market. So we can move this to this low, and this becomes a sweep reversal of structure. And this becomes your next break of structure to the downside. And then simply again, we'll move this to this new high. That's our new high in the market. And our low is going to be from this low here when we see this candle here closing up to create the next break of structure. And that's it. And then again, we move this down to a last highest point, because this is the last time we closed up, to create that next high. And that's how simple this is. And again, when we see this candle closing up, this one here, this creates your current low in the market. That's your current trading range. So now you understand this is how easy you can mark this structure up on the charts. This is on a daily time frame. Let me show you how you can do this on 1 minute as well. So again, let's just go from this area of chart. We see the market breaking, let's say this low here. We'll start from this low. This is going to be our break of structure to downside. Same process. We look back, our last close up is this high. We continue to fall down. The next close up is this candle right here. That creates your next low down here in the market, which becomes your next break structure. Then we can move this high simply to this area, pull this level across, and there's your next break structure to the upside. Because what we actually get is a pullback on this candle, which creates this as our valid low, and we don't break that low or sweep it. And then the same thing happens again. We mark out this high, new break of structure. This is our current low after the breakout. So we mark it to this low. Do we break it? No, we don't. We continue to be bullish. And you can see how simple this is once you understand the structure. We close down on this candle eventually. So this becomes our highest point. There's our last break of structure. And our low is going to be from this candle closing down. This becomes our current low. And then our current high is based off that candle. And we've got a potential break of structure now to the upside. And that's your current trading range. Went from bearish to bullish bias. That's how simple it is to apply the same strategy from a daily all the way down to 1 minute time frame. Now, if you're thinking there's no way I can do all this markup every day, you're exactly right. Even for me, it takes serious time. That's why I created the structure companion tool, the instant fix. It does everything you've just seen perfectly and instantly across all time frames. Watch this, one click and structure is locked in. So let me just turn the tool on for you quickly, and you'll see those areas that we already marked out on the daily are now instantly marked on the chart for you. You can instantly see where all those breaks of structure are, and it is always correct for your trading. So that is this simple fix when you understand the use of this tool. And the same thing is, we go down to a 1 minute time frame as well. You'll see how accurate this is. That's where we're looking at price pushing to the downside. That was that area we saw a break here. Well, obviously back in time, it's showing us this is the true break of structure. And then we had the shift in structure back to the upside. And again, it shows you the continuation. Now, previously we were looking for continuation here to the upside, but what's happened is the market has closed down with this candle, creating the potential valid high. Now we're wicking through this strong low, and it's going to highlight this for you in real time. Now, if we don't close back through this area, we could see a sweep of this low and then a continuation to break higher. But if we close through, this is going to show us a new break of structure. Now, this is where you'll use multiple time frames to help you by going through the next time frame to see what price is showing. We can see this is a larger swing to the downside. It's also going to plot you that internal structure as well. So that's a brief look at what the tool can do for you with this instant fix. So that's the structure companion tool. Your complete structure mapped automatically, validated across multiple time frames in seconds. We've opened just 50 copies at 50% off for early users, so we can personally support each one. Don't waste another day manually drawing structure. The link to get access is right below this video. If you want to master the actual manual steps for applying this structure yourself, watch this video next. It breaks down the exact steps for applying the structure manually so you can see it in action. And remember, the 90-day profit trading system is where we teach the complete execution and trade management to build real consistency.